Natural and organic makeup does not have to mean a natural look. I'm Valerie Giraud, the founder of Antonym Cosmetics. I wanted to create a line that brought fun and strongly pigmented color to the world of natural and organic makeup. The first key point is performance. We are first and foremost a color line, and as a makeup artist for more than 20 years, this is the most important point. Antonym offers strong pigments, long-lasting colors, and I take pride in personally develop each product. The second key point is our certification. Every single Antonym product is made with certified natural and organic ingredients. The term natural is not well defined in the marketplace, and our certification provides great peace of mind to our clients. All Antonym products are also cruelty-free and have the Leaping Bunny certification. The third key point is beneficial ingredients. We choose high-quality natural and organic ingredients that enhance the performance of our products. Let me show you some of our hero products. Some of our best-selling products are the baked blushes. They started as a thick cream and then are baked, which gives them a beautiful domed shape. The process turns the cream into a powder while keeping the properties of the cream. Blush performance is long-lasting, buildable, and highly pigmented. And they come in two different finishes, satin and pearly. The satin finish gives the skin a youthful, natural radiance. It comes in two colors, rose, a nude rose with a swirl of antique rose that gives a natural, fresh blush. Peach, a soft peach with a swirl of light peachy pink for a romantic look. The pearly finish comes in copper, a rich shimmery swirl of copper and gold for a glowy, summery look. All three blushes are made with certified natural and organic ingredients and contain squalene, which helps the skin retain moisture. Squalene makes the blushes non-drying, which makes them ideal for all skin types. Endless Summer is our organic highlighter. It's a melange swirl baked product in a luminous pink champagne color. The baked formula gives this highlighter its signature blend of color to gently enhance or highlight your best features. You apply it on your cheekbones, the bridge of your nose, the groove of your upper lip, under your eyebrows, and the corner of your eyes. This will give your face a bright appearance without changing its tone. By balancing pigments and transparent powders, the advanced technology provides a weightless texture with a silky, transparent feeling and brightness performance. The pink champagne shades brighten the face while providing a glow to the complexion. Cheek Crush is our highlighting blush. The highlighting blush is a multi-use makeup that works as a blush and highlighter. Performance-wise, it's a 2-for-1 to die for. An organic blush that gives cheeks a sweep of gorgeous color while highlighting and sculpting the cheekbones. The best way to apply is to sweep from your ear downward, following the line of your cheekbone. Cheek Crush is a revolutionary combo made by balancing color pigments with highlighting powder that contains translucent particles to achieve gorgeous luster on the skin. The pink peach shade blends with the skin tone while the highlighter gives dimension and depth. As all Antonym products, it is certified and cruelty-free. I hope this video was fun and informative. Thank you for watching.